Dear friends, today, let's embark on a profound discourse, empathy, a deep dive into our shared human experience. Empathy, at its core, is the ability to comprehend and resonate with the emotions and feelings of others. It's about penetrating the protective walls we erect around ourselves, reaching the core of another person's feelings, and aligning our emotions with theirs. Empathy, in its purest form, is not merely about understanding. It's about experiencing the same emotions as the person you're empathizing with. It's about feeling their joy, their sorrow, their struggles, and their triumphs as if they were your own. Consider this scenario. You're strolling through the park, lost in your thoughts, when you notice a child sitting alone on a bench, tears streaming down their face. Without hesitation, you approach them, offering a comforting hand and a listening ear. As they share their story, you don't just listen passively. You immerse yourself in their emotions, feeling their sadness wash over you like a wave. In that moment of shared vulnerability, a connection is forged, one that transcends words and bridges the gap between two souls. Now, let's explore the components of empathy. Cognitive empathy is like a window into another person's mind, allowing you to understand their thoughts, perspectives, and emotions. It's the ability to see the world through their eyes, to walk in their shoes, and to gain insight into their innermost thoughts and feelings. Emotional empathy, on the other hand, is like a mirror that reflects back the emotions of others. When someone is happy, you share in their joy. When they're sad, you feel their pain. And finally, there's compassionate empathy, the driving force that compels you to take action, to offer support, and to alleviate their suffering. But where does empathy come from? Evolutionary psychologists suggest that empathy is deeply rooted in our shared human experience. From the earliest days of our existence, our survival as a species has depended on our ability to understand, cooperate, and empathize with one another. It's a trait that's woven into the very fabric of our humanity, shaping our social bonds, our relationships, and our collective identity. Now, let's delve into the science behind empathy. Neuroscientists have discovered that empathy activates specific regions of the brain associated with emotion processing, such as the anterior cingulate cortex and the insula. When we empathize with others, our brains simulate their emotional experiences, allowing us to share in their feelings on a profound level. It's a neurological phenomenon that underscores the interconnectedness of our minds and the power of empathy to transcend boundaries and forge connections. But empathy isn't just a scientific concept. It's a fundamental aspect of our relationships. Think about the last time you had a heart-to-heart conversation with a friend or loved one. When you empathized with their struggles, their fears, or their joys, you deepened your connection and strengthened your bond. Empathy fosters emotional intimacy, enhances communication, and builds trust, key ingredients for healthy, fulfilling relationships. So, as we navigate our journey through life, let's make empathy our compass, guiding our interactions and shaping our relationships. Let's strive to cultivate empathy in ourselves and others, fostering understanding, compassion, and connection. And remember, my friends, that empathy isn't just a concept to be understood. It's a practice to be lived and shared. Until next time, may we continue to deepen our understanding of empathy and its profound impact on our lives and society. Remember to like, share, and comment. It's Lord KSI signing off. Peace and love.